Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Guess what time it is? It's time for our Harvest Moon giveaway time. This was being put on by Off Kilter Homestead is the name of their channel, and Haas is his name. He did an awesome job doing this giveaway. There was 83 people that joined in because one of my followers brought it to my attention. As you can see, she left it in the comment section. That's the great thing about followers. They don't let you mess up too long. They start reminding you when you've made mistakes. And here is just a few of the awesome channels, awesome creators that joined in on this and giveaway. And I hope you guys go over and check them out. As you can see, we have so many awesome creators, and you need to go see what they have on their channels, what kind of content. You might make some new friends. And don't just look at the channel itself. Go look in the comment section. You might find some more new friends in the comment section. We're all interested in building our channels bigger and stronger, and this is one way of doing it. Go check out all these awesome creators and see what they gave away and see who won on their channels. I can't wait to see what is going to happen on the final giveaway. You know, this was just a semi-final winner, and on October 1st we're going to have the grand prize. So the grand prize winner is going to win 83 gifts. 83 gifts. Does that not sound exciting? And I hope that you guys go over and check and see if you won something from one of these channels. If you win and you signed up on these different channels, you need to go over and check each one of these channels out and see if you won. But while you're over there, give those channels a real view and see what they have in the way of content. I hope you're not just looking for freebies. I hope you're looking for good quality channels to follow in the future. Well, I'm hoping that you guys don't forget October 1st is the grand prize winner, and I gave away $25 gift card on my channel for this giveaway, and I'm giving another $25 gift card for the grand prize. Now, can you imagine 83 grand prizes? Oh my gosh, that is going to be so exciting. I can't wait to see who wins. And you know, I'm going to go over and check those channels out too. All those awesome creators that joined in on this challenge, because there was a lot of really good channels, and there's a lot of different kinds of content on these channels, so they're not just one kind. So you need to go and give them a good try and see what kind of content they have. Now here's my winner. Here it is, T&S Dogs and Dragonfly Farm. Yay! Good luck. I'm so glad you won. My awesome channel. You're such a great channel, and I've actually watched this channel, and it is great. That's why you need to go check out all the channels in the comment section. You might find some awesome good friends there. And here, this is a great one. They have a lot of great different content. Go check them out. Yay!